Welcome to Airflow Control Techniques. Air diffusers are engineered to deliver perfectly balanced airflow, ensuring consistent comfort across every corner of your space, whether residential, commercial, or industrial. With our volume control dampers, you gain precise control over flow, optimizing system performance and maximizing energy efficiency every time. Our diesel storage tanks are built for reliability, ensuring your operations remain uninterrupted, whether for industry, backup power, or transportation. You can count on us for consistent, long-lasting energy storage. Our ducts provide a robust, efficient air pathway, forming the very backbone of your HVAC system for smooth, uninterrupted airflow. From flawless air distribution to dependable energy storage, our products set the standard of excellence. With airflow control techniques, you are choosing innovation, reliability, and long-term performance. Airflow control techniques. Contact us +92 305 26 98161 +92 313 7097 559. Address: plot number A126, Sector 6F, Mehran Town, Korangi Industrial Area, Karachi.